Hey guys, John Patrick here, giving you another quick update on Pike. I'm actually down here in the lower level atrium. Coming down the home stretches, guys. Got a lot of work going on in the suites as far as scribing out around the new wardrobes, putting a lot of final paint on the walls, and going to be making a big push this week to getting a lot of the curb and gutter and sidewalks installed on the exterior of the building. I wanted to start down here and show you guys one of the nearly completed suites. I know typically I like to start you off in the chapter room, but it's time to showcase one of these suites and one of the main focal points of the project. So here we are getting ready to walk into one of the new suites, guys. You can see we've got the wardrobes installed. I'll get a better angle and shot for those, but got the rubber base down. You can see the sink sitting right there on the side. I'll spin around so you guys can see kind of the full entrance piece here. So each one of the suites will have 3 wardrobes up towards the front, your own VRF unit, and then directly beneath that will be the 55-inch TVs. And then back here is the sleeping quarter area where you have full height wardrobes as well. Kind of give you a good shot of what those look like. And then I'll walk you back up to your bathroom in this particular suite. So we've got all the wall tile done, floor tile, showers installed, and then we have started dropping toilets. And then starting late next week, we will start dropping the solid surface countertops in here and get the sinks plugged in. So one other area I want to show you is we did mock up one of the showers over here across the hall, and I wanted to show you exactly what one of those shower doors is going to look like installed. Kind of a tricky angle to get the full thing in there, but that's what your showers look like as they are completed. Next, I'll take you over to the renovation side. Here we are in the lower level lobby, guys. Right across from you can see directly beneath that light switch. These are the new keypads that control all of the access into the atrium areas on both the upper and lower level. So I'm gonna spin you around here because we set our drinking fountains this week. There's the new drinking fountains. You'll have those on the upstairs level as well. We'll catch a shot of those here in a few seconds. But here we are in the rec room, guys. Got the rubber base down. Got our saw station set up to finish a couple little pieces in the chapter room. And unfortunately, I'm not going to show you the chapter room today on this walk. If you guys would like to come down and check that out, make sure you swing by on April 22nd for the Centennial Celebration and Founders Day celebration. So I'm going to walk you back here through into the group study area. Got all of our doors swung in here as well. VRF units are up and running. Got a couple little smaller pieces to install as far as some fire protection devices and exit devices, but this room's pretty much wrapped up. Here's another little quick shot of the laundry room. Again, same scenario, just waiting to put the finishing touches on this one in regards to fire protection, and then also install one more security camera in here. Next, I'm going to take you out into the atrium area so you guys can get a good shot of the lower level atrium. So here we are in the lower level atrium, guys. We've got final paint completed here on these walls. Rubber base was installed late yesterday afternoon. So now we'll put a good finish clean on this thing, and that is the atrium. Give you a nice good shot here down below up into the skylight areas, and we have all of the fixtures installed up there as well now. So that's kind of what your upper shot's going to look like as you work your way across the atrium. Got guys here today, we're working on painting the handrails. You can see them there in the background. And then we'll be putting the stainless steel mesh inserts inside the handrail starting early next week. Here we are in the dining room, guys. Got the acoustical ceiling tile installed, light fixtures installed, and then right there in the center of my screen on the ceiling, that's one of the new security cameras we installed this week. Currently making final paint preparation, so we're cutting in around all of the windows and all of the door openings in here, and then we'll start doing the final paint early next week. I'm standing back kind of in the 24-hour kitchen area, and what you're seeing right there is just kind of going to be one of the wall setups that will have a sink, a coffee maker, microwaves, upper and lower cabinets for some storage for you guys. And I'll get you a better shot kind of the whole area here as I walk around. So that'll be kind of where the 24-hour kitchen area sits at the end of the dining room. I'm going to spin you back around and take you out over here to the living room area. What you guys see right there in front of me is the brand new TV that will be installed here in the living room. So here in the living room, again, making final prep for final paint operations. Got all brand new crown molding installed. We'll install a new front door hopefully next week as well. Currently, again, just cutting in and around, getting everything prepped around the trim work in the living room. A couple more shots of the VRF units. Take you out into the lobby area now, guys. There's the new drinking fountains installed this week, and the majority of our work, guys, is actually taking place back here in the IT closet. So I'm going to give you a good shot of that. So here is the mothership, guys. This is your IT closet that will house all of your security and Wi-Fi operations, cable operations, everything. So we've been doing a lot of work on that. Have that buttoned up here in the next couple weeks. Give you a good shot of the upper level atrium here real quick. As I stated earlier, working on painting up the handrail. All the light fixtures installed. It's really starting to come together, guys, and again, we'll be rolling final paint here next week. I do want to show you a quick shot of the outside patio area here. Got it pretty much buttoned up except for paint on the handrails. But as you guys can see, you're going to have recessed lighting out here. Outdoor access points for the Wi-Fi. And that's kind of the full shot of your upstairs patio. Check back in a couple weeks, guys. We're going to have another update for you. Thanks.